What's going on, guys? I'm Matt over at DSR, and this is yet another giveaway video. Now, so far I've been doing one a month, and all of those have been UK based only. Well, this is going to be the first international giveaway, so this will go up to Europe, so let's call it. So UK and Europe. And what is it you can win on this giveaway? Well, today we are doing this. This is the INNOVV ThirdEye blind spot detection unit. This is the one that the LEDs go onto the mirrors, and then it flashes up when you've got people coming up either in your blind spot or from your rear. Top right hand corner, you'll see my full installation and review video there if you want to check it out. This will be the first international giveaway we're going to do for the channel. So far, all the other giveaways have all been UK based only, just to make sure I knew how to run the giveaways properly. That's why I kind of kept it UK based. But now this will be the first international one. If you are wanting to win this unit, there's 3 things you need to do. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. Simple as that. Number 2, like the video. And lastly, number 3 is drop a comment below. And that is it. Those 3 simple things could put you in a chance to win the INNOVV ThirdEye BSD. This video will be live for 2 weeks, and I will pick at random 1 comment from the comments box of this video, and that's who's going to win this. From there, I will then comment on that person's initial comment, letting them know they have won. I will put my email in that comment. They need to email me so I can get their address to send this unit. Now, cut the disclaimer points. 1, INNOVV sent this to me a while ago to test out, which I've done on the channel. And now it's my turn to give back to you guys. And number 2 is there is no money changing hands. It is as purely simple as those 3 things. You email me, you let me know where you live, and I'll pay to post this to you. Simple as that. There is nothing else to say, but hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below for a chance to win this. Until the next one, ride safe.